So it finally happened. Yeah. And it might not be a blizzard, but it is the start of the storm. I'm already covered. I've only been out here for 5 seconds. In a t-shirt. My last one from Wayne. We're going to have a blizzard of hops out here for you guys. Stay tuned. Guys, it's me. Yeah. And I don't know if you can see the snow or anything, but it's just falling on me. We're going to try the last one of Wayne's. I cannot wait till July. 6 months from now, I think today is the 12th of July. 6 months from now, you and I will be sitting down, doing a review together, hanging out, having some drinks, and you are going to be drunk. Not me. I never get drunk. But you, Wayne, are going to be drunk beside me, drunk beside Shane, drunk beside, yeah, you're just going to be drunk. Everyone's going to be drunk. Except me. I'm just saying. All right, in my Big Rock wet glass, in a t-shirt, of course, I'm going to try my last one. Because I can, because I will, and because I want to. I promise you, the next time, woo! It's a lot ahead. Oh, now, this is what I'm liking about the beer. I smell those sexy hops. Is there hops for brew on here? I don't know. Hard to read. Troegs Brewery. 6.4% alcohol. 12 ounces in this. Hops? Yes, there is. Hops for brew. We're looking at Hop Cycle Winter. What? It's supposed to be in tumbler. That's close to a tumbler. Centennial. There we go. Sexy Centennial, which I grow every year. Chinook. Sexy Galaxy. Sexy El Dorado. We created this winter IPA to toast hop growers around the world for another successful harvest. Woo! Man, she's coming down good. This storm of hoppy citrus and pine notes is a bright reminder that the end of the hop cycle is only the beginning, because it's going to start. This will start soon. I'm going to have sexy hops. I think Shane has my hops. Yes, he does. I got to get into this. Thank you, Wayne. Cheers. Oh, that is sexy. Dude, I'll let that settle. It has been coming down. Hot tent back there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. All right. She is coming down. And I'm going to drink it out of the can, give you a rating, and then I'm going inside. That's nice hops. That is well made. And it's not overly hoppy. And a beautiful citrus finish to the end. I'm going to give this an 8.5. Thank you, Wayne, so much. I can't wait to meet you guys. Cheers. And be kind to your neighbors, guys. I got to go. Be kind to your neighbors. Woo! She's chilly out here. Oh, yeah. I'm getting covered.